Hey guys, do you want to know about new gadgets? Do you want to finding some good new gadgets? That's helps to make your life so easy. Then watch our video. Here we show you many new gadgets. And all gadgets link in the description. You can check that so easily. So guys, this is Mosumi Mo. Welcome to our channel Amazing Gadgets. So let's start the video. Number 1. 3D Printing Pen. The world's first in a 3D printing device. Featuring improved power, durability, and reliability for a superior doodling experience. Easy to use, just plug the 3D pen in, insert 3 doodler, create plastic, wait for the 3D pen to heat up, and then you're good to extrude. The 3DOODLER app, get an interactive experience. The app is packed with dedicated, easy-to-follow stencil section and step-by-step interactive instructions. Receive badges for completed projects and photograph and share your creations directly on social media. The app is fully built on iOS and Android. Smooth 3D drawing experience. Get the best 3D drawing experience by only using the best and safest non-toxic 3 doodler, create plastic filaments. 3D printing pen is compatible with 3 doodler, create 3mm PLA, ABS and flexi plastic only. Number 2. Heated Vest. The heated vest. Lightweight cotton and polyester material, insulated for you to wear in any ways, providing you the best heating. Waterproof and wind resistant. Heated vest comes with 10,000 mAh power bank. With our battery heated vest, just enjoy the long-lasting warmth of more than 30 hours. 3 levels of adjustable temperature with independent dual-side control button. There are 9 working modes in total, and you could control the heated vest independently. 6 carbon fiber heating elements generating heat across the collar, shoulder, mid-back, as well as underneath 2 pockets for core body warmth. Machine washable, hand wash preferred. Place in the laundry bag, included, if machine wash. Do remember to remove the power supply and make sure it gets dried before using. Number 3. BioLite FirePit. BioLite FirePit outdoor smokeless wood and charcoal burning fire pit. Airflow system has 4 fan speeds to control the intensity of your flames. Control fan intensity from the FirePit's power pack or from the free BioLite Energy app for Android and iOS. 10,400 mAh rechargeable battery power pack with USB outputs for charging your devices. Enjoy the feeling of a 360-degree floating fire with the FirePit's X-ray mesh and up to 24-hour burn time. A smokeless wood burning fire pit that can go from spark to fire in less than 30 seconds, cook your meals, and give you a front row seat to everything going on inside your fire. Burn charcoal or wood for a hibachi-style grilling experience. Can be utilized as a smokeless grill, or for barbecue, or just as an outdoor fire pit. It's perfect on the go, or in the backyard. Number 4. Deltong Scooter. Easy for storage and transport. The scooter can be easy to fold, so convenient for storage, traveling, and transport, so this can be stored anywhere. Adjustable height. Made of heavy-duty steel and aluminum, the adjustable handlebars system can be easy to adjust the height between 87.5 cm fixed and 96.5 cm highest. Unique 3 wheels design provides better stability, easy turning, drifting and acceleration. Build, strengthen and maintain balance. Stability through the use of 3 polyurethane wheels. Great for building leg strength, body coordination and balance. The 3-wheels scooter prevent your child from falling. Front handbrake delivers better control and safety, which makes parents feel relieved without worry about their child. Great capacity weight. Max user loading is 85 kgs, 187 pounds. With the design of the bump texture, the plastic pedal plays a function of anti-skid. This swing scooter also could be as a gift, novelty birthday gift to your boys or girls. AODI brand exclusive design with a beautiful box. Number 5. LED Roller Skate Shoes. Multifunctional roller shoes you can pop up or hide wheel by the button at heel. They can be used as roller skate shoes, flat sneakers and single wheel shoes. High quality materials and convenient design. PU leather design, rubber soles, comfortable and soft, wear resistant and fold resistant, care for the health of both feet. Magic tape design, save the trouble of tying the shoelaces, easy to wear for kids. Best gift. LED roller shoes. Kids sneakers is the best gift for children on birthdays, performances, Halloween, Thanksgiving and Christmas. It is your best choice for footwear for any occasion you want to be noticed. Multiple colors and convenient charging. 11 light up modes. Switch button beside the charging port. Click the red button to change the color. 7 static colors plus 4 dynamic color modes. Switch in order. Very dazzling. Equipped with micro USB interface and data cable. With the USB charging cable, charge your shoes the same as charging your cell phone. Number 6. Corsair Lighting Towers. Immersive ambient lighting. Extend your PC's RGB lighting, illuminating your environment with diffused colors and intricate lighting effects to create an immersive backdrop of ambient lighting. Integrate with games and media. Synchronize your ambient lighting to dynamically match the on-screen action in games, movies, and videos, or turn your room into a living visualizer for your music. Everything you need to shine. Includes 2 connected 422mm tall towers with 46 customizable LEDs each, an external power supply, a 1.5 meters extension cable, and a removable headset holder. 11 preset lighting profiles. Illuminate your space immediately at the push of a button with 11 profiles available out of the box. Part of the IQ Smart Lighting ecosystem. Powered by Corsair IQ software, enabling fully customized and synchronized RGB lighting across all IQ-compatible Corsair devices in your system and all external IQ Smart Lighting devices. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel, and hit the bell button, never miss any new updates. And like our Facebook page. All product details in the description.